Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Matt with Green Bar Trading. And this is why I love scalp trading. And I don't just hold and hope. I like to get in and get out of my position within a minute or two. That's my game plan. If it goes any longer than that, most of the time, that means that I didn't plan the trade accordingly, or I didn't have the trade right, which happens. So you're going to have, between 30 and 40 wrong trades out of 100. It's just the way it is. So I like to shoot for higher accuracy and smaller wins with scalps. That's just the way that I trade. It fits my personality, and that's what I do. So sharing the moneymaker. We made a quick $50 today. Part-time trading, guys. This is important. I am not sitting at my computer all day long. I have other businesses that I run and own. So when I do see opportunities, I try to take advantage of them. And with this trade, I was very patient. So if we pull up the chart here, you can see the consolidation was very evident right around this 46.80 area of support. So when I was sitting here, what was I waiting to happen? I'm either waiting for this breakdown, which would have been very difficult to even predict of when that was going to happen, but it would have been a nice trade if you would have jumped in. It would have been chasing at first and whatever. But 46.80, that's the key level. Once that broke, then it turns into resistance on the back end. You can see right here, almost to the penny. And that's why I use these key levels. I post them every morning, guys. Every single morning, these levels are posted so that everyone can see it. That is part of our Discord. So if you want to join, the link is in the description there, and you can see for yourself how accurate these levels are. Now, this is the ES. These are futures. It's something that I can scalp, I can trade pretty quickly and make decent money with, instead of sometimes when you have that sideways action, scalping, SPY options, same day expiration, it can really burn a lot of theta. And, you're sitting there not making any money and you're losing money. And you may even have chose the direction right, but that sideways action is not any good when you're trading options. So what was I waiting for? I'm waiting for this breakout of that purple line right here. Couldn't do it here, couldn't do it here, bounced off of here. So this is what I was watching for. We got the breakout. I got involved. I sold right here pretty quickly. So if we take a look, I don't know how long the trade was, but it was probably a minute. There you go. So for 1 minute, that was the trade. I like to trade breakouts or breakdowns for quick scalps. Over here for, let's see, a half an hour or so, how do you trade this? You can trade from the bottom end to the top end. You could do that. But then you risk, if you're going to go long from the area of support that was support here, you risk this happening right here. So let's say, I'm going to buy at support, which showed that it was support before, and then just your whole day is ruined right there. So that is not what I wanted to do, especially when the market is trending down. Okay, it was trending down from the futures being up overnight. I kept telling everyone, just because the futures are up does not mean that the day is going to be a huge green day. You have to be careful about the overnight action and the pre-market action. There's no volume. Look at the volume here. This is the stuff that you got to watch. And look at this volume. These are the moves and the big sales from the big institutional traders that you don't want to get caught in. So scalping works for me. Doesn't mean that it has to work for you, but this is why I like to scalp. I like to get in and get out pretty quickly, take my profit along the way, and just be happy with part-time, $50 in 1 minute. Now, it wasn't really 1 minute because I was basically watching this whole time. So you could say it was $50 in about 20 minutes or so, but still, it's $50. I'm sitting here, nice environment. I have my music going. I'm clicking some buttons. I'm talking to our Discord, and that was it. So, we're going to be monitoring the rest of the day here pretty closely. This doesn't look that great to me. When we bounced here, kind of double bottoming, I thought, okay, we can probably give a run up to at least that previous level. It's exactly what happened. We had the run up, and now we're kind of chopping around again. We're going to have to see where the big money goes. If there's, more drops like this, or maybe the other way, who knows? So it doesn't matter. I'm not marrying this stuff. I'm in and out really quickly, taking profit or cutting losses very fast, because that's what I want to do. This trade did not go against me at all. So this is 4 ticks up, 0 down, and that's, the risk reward on a trade on a breakout like that is something that I find, perfectly fine to take that trade. So that's it. I'll show you guys one more thing here. This is our Discord. If you guys are interested, come on in. It's literally $99, and you have access to all of our chat, our call outs, the daily preview, the key levels, which are really, really important, and the picks for the week with the chart breakdown, my trade plan every single morning, and that is $99, one payment, and you have lifetime access to that Discord and all the traders in there. So that's it for me, guys. Hit the thumbs up for the video. See you guys back on the next one. Take care.